Everyone, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Dahil natapos na natin ma-explain ang 3 forms of business organization. Ngayon guys, ang i-explain naman natin ang forms of business. Every business organization, meron silang iba't ibang form of business na ino-operate at ino-offer sa market. Meron tayong 3 form of business. Number 1 is service provider. Number 2, merchandising. Number 3, manufacturing. Service provider. Ang service provider, ito yung company or individual na nag-o-offer ng services sa kanilang customer instead of physical product. Example ng company or businesses na nag-o-offer ng service or tinatawag nating service provider. Number 1 is hotels, delivery company, schools, lawyers, at iba pa. Merchandising. Ito yung mga individuals or company na nagbabuy and sell ng tangible products para kumita sila. So, ang binibigay nila or inoperate nila sa market is yung mga products na nahahawakan natin. Yung mga example ng merchandising businesses, clothing store, convenience store, supermarkets, online shops, at iba pa. Manufacturing, ito yung company or individuals na nagproduce ng goods by transforming raw materials into finished product. Yung example ng mga manufacturing business, food and beverage manufacturer, automobile manufacturer, paper and printing manufacturer, cosmetics manufacturer, at iba pa. Thank you for watching guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Please like, share, and follow this account for more educational video. Bye-bye!